Are you worried about your kidney health? We're back with another video, and today we're talking about those incredible bean-shaped organs working tirelessly behind the scenes, your kidneys. These guys are the ultimate multitaskers, filtering waste, balancing fluids, and even managing blood pressure. But here's the thing, just like any other part of your body, your kidneys can be vulnerable to damage, whether it's from diabetes, high blood pressure, or even certain medications. That's why giving them a little extra love is crucial. And what better way to do that than through the power of food? In this video, we're diving deep into 10 amazing foods that can naturally support your kidney health. We're talking about preventing kidney stones, fighting inflammation, and giving your body the tools it needs to keep those kidneys functioning at their best. So stick around, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. Kicking things off with a familiar favorite, especially during the holiday season, cranberries. Now, you might associate them with fighting UTIs, and you're not wrong. Cranberries are amazing for that. But did you know they pack a powerful punch for your kidneys too? These little red gems are loaded with a compound called quinic acid, which transforms into hippuric acid in the body. This dynamic duo works wonders in flushing out excess uric acid, a major culprit behind those pesky kidney stones. But wait, there's more. Cranberries are bursting with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They're like tiny warriors battling inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys, keeping them healthy and happy. And let's not forget their superpower against UTIs. UTIs can be a real pain, literally, and they're more common in people with kidney issues. Cranberries help prevent these infections, adding another layer of protection for your kidneys. So how can you enjoy these little wonders? Easy. Snack on fresh or dried cranberries or sip on some unsweetened cranberry juice. Your kidneys will thank you. Next up, we're bringing in the bright and tangy superstar, the lemon. This citrus champion isn't just for flavoring your water, it's a powerhouse when it comes to preventing kidney stones, especially those pesky calcium stones. Lemons are packed with citric acid, a natural wonder that binds with calcium in your urine. This dynamic duo prevents calcium from forming those painful stones, keeping your kidneys crystal clear. And as if that wasn't enough, lemons are also a fantastic source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens your immune system. A strong immune system means fewer infections, which is excellent news for your kidneys. Now, how can you incorporate more lemon into your life? It's super easy. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into your water or tea for a refreshing boost. Or if you're feeling adventurous, try lemonade therapy. Don't worry, it's not as intense as it sounds. Just mix 4 ounces of lemon juice with 2 liters of water, and sip on it throughout the day. Your kidneys will be singing your praises. Now let's dive into the ocean for our next kidney hero, seaweed. I know what you're thinking, seaweed? Really? Trust me on this one. This underwater marvel is more than just a sushi staple. It's a nutritional powerhouse for your kidneys. Seaweed is loaded with iodine, a crucial mineral that's often overlooked. It's also bursting with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents acting like bodyguards for your kidneys, especially if you're dealing with diabetes-related damage. But wait, there's a bonus round. Seaweed contains alginates, these incredible compounds that act like magnets for heavy metals and toxins in your body. They latch onto these harmful substances and escort them out, giving your kidneys a much-needed break. So how can you incorporate this ocean treasure into your diet? It's easier than you think. Snack on dried seaweed sheets for a crunchy and nutritious treat. Toss some into your salads or soups for a flavor and nutrient boost. And of course, enjoy it in your favorite sushi rolls. Your kidneys will be doing the happy dance. Let's move on to a kitchen staple that packs a serious punch: garlic. This aromatic bulb isn't just for warding off vampires, it's a superhero for your kidneys too. Garlic's secret weapon is allicin, a sulfur compound that's released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is like the garlic's defense system, and it comes armed with antibacterial, antifungal, and even antiviral properties. Talk about a triple threat against infection. But allicin doesn't stop there. It's also a master at reducing harmful substances in your blood, improving your antioxidant levels, and giving your kidneys an extra layer of protection against infections. Now for the million-dollar question, how do you unlock garlic's full potential? Raw is best. Try eating a clove or 2 of raw garlic on an empty stomach. If that's too intense, add chopped fresh garlic to your salads, sauces, and meals. Your kidneys and your taste buds will thank you. Moving on to a sweeter treat that's bursting with kidney-loving goodness: grapes. These juicy gems are more than just a tasty snack. They're packed with a plant compound called resveratrol, a true superhero for your kidneys. Resveratrol is like a magic potion for your kidneys, boasting anti-inflammatory and anti-scarring effects. It helps protect your delicate kidney tissue from damage, keeping them functioning at their best. But that's not all. Grapes are also known to help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. By keeping your blood pressure in check, grapes lend a helping hand to your kidneys, allowing them to work more efficiently. Enjoying grapes is as easy as can be. Pop them in your mouth for a refreshing snack, freeze them for a chilly treat, or toss them into smoothies and salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Your kidneys will be raising a glass of grape juice, of course. Let's talk about another berry superstar, blueberries. These tiny but mighty fruits are like little antioxidant powerhouses, specifically packed with anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are like the body's natural defense squad, fighting off those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on your cells. When it comes to your kidneys, anthocyanins work tirelessly to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, keeping them healthy and happy. But wait, there's more. Blueberries also have a knack for lowering blood pressure, taking some of the workload off your kidneys. And as if that wasn't enough, they also help protect against kidney damage, ensuring these vital organs stay in tip-top shape. So how can you enjoy these little blue wonders? It's simple. Pop them in your mouth for a quick and healthy snack, toss them in smoothies for a nutritional boost, or sprinkle them on your oatmeal or salads for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Your kidneys will be singing your praises. Next up, we're diving into a summertime favorite, watermelon. This juicy and refreshing fruit is like a tall glass of water for your kidneys, helping to flush out waste and toxins. Watermelon is about 92% water, making it a hydration hero. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for kidney health, as it allows your kidneys to effectively flush out waste products that can build up and cause problems. But watermelon's benefits don't stop there. It's also a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in balancing sodium levels in your body. This balancing act helps prevent fluid retention and swelling, taking some pressure off your kidneys. And here's a bonus. Watermelon contains lycopene, an antioxidant that's been linked to a lower risk of kidney cancer. So enjoy that juicy slice of watermelon guilt-free, knowing you're doing something great for your kidneys. Let's move on to a heart-healthy staple that also works wonders for your kidneys: olive oil. This liquid gold is a kitchen essential, and for good reason. Olive oil is renowned for its heart-healthy fats, but it also deserves a standing ovation for its kidney-protecting properties. It's a champion at lowering blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. But olive oil doesn't stop there. It's also packed with oleic acid and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that act like bodyguards for your cells, protecting them from damage caused by oxidative stress. So, how can you incorporate more of this liquid gold into your diet? It's easy. Drizzle it over salads for a flavorful and healthy dressing, use it for light cooking, or simply add a dash to your favorite dishes for a boost of flavor and health benefits. Your kidneys and your heart will thank you. Now, let's talk about a cruciferous vegetable that's often overlooked but packs a powerful punch for kidney health: cabbage. This leafy green wonder is more than just a side dish, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Cabbage is bursting with anthocyanins, those potent antioxidants we talked about earlier that fight inflammation and support both heart and kidney health. It's like a double whammy of goodness. But wait, there's more. Cabbage is also an excellent source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And as if that wasn't enough, it's a good source of glutathione, a natural detoxifier that helps your kidneys eliminate toxins more effectively. So, how can you add more cabbage to your diet? It's incredibly versatile. Enjoy it raw in salads and slaws for a crunchy and refreshing bite, or cook it up in soups, stir-fries, and stews for a comforting and nutritious meal. Your kidneys will be doing a happy dance. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about a classic fruit that's been touted for its health benefits for centuries: the apple. Turns out, that old saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," might have some truth to it, especially when it comes to kidney health. Apples are a fantastic source of antioxidants, including those powerful anthocyanins we've been talking about. They're also packed with fiber and vitamin C, a trio of nutrients that work together to reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and boost your immune system. But the apple's benefits don't stop there. They contain pectin, a type of fiber that's been shown to lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. And here's a bonus. Apples are a natural diuretic, meaning they help flush out excess fluids and salts from your body, easing the burden on your kidneys. So enjoy that apple with the skin on for maximum benefits, knowing you're giving your kidneys a healthy treat. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible foods that are as delicious as they are good for your kidneys. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for your overall health, and these simple additions to your diet can make a world of difference. While these foods are fantastic for supporting kidney health, it's essential to remember that they're not a substitute for proper medical care, especially if you have existing kidney issues. Always consult with your doctor for personalized advice and treatment plans. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you already include any of these kidney-friendly foods in your diet? What are some of your favorite ways to enjoy them? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay healthy. Stay